Hello everyone, CJ Valdez here and welcome to my YouTube channel. So finally, we are here in the Philippines after a long flight from UK to Dubai to here in the Philippines. So I arrived yesterday here in the Philippines at NAIA Terminal 3. So I'm here guys to give you some tips and advice and guidelines kung paano ang uuwi dito sa Pilipinas in this time of COVID-19. Here are the requirements to travel to the Philippines. This is the case investigation form. 3 days before departure, make sure you register to Philippine Red Cross. This is an electronic form that you can register through online. Once you complete the registration, they will send you an email containing your QR code that you will going to use when you go for swab testing when you arrive at the airport. When you register into this form, make sure you have a working email address and telephone number. And make sure you have your passport with you when you register because you will going to upload your passport bio page. So once you registered, you will going to receive an email containing your QR code. That's why it is very important po na ilagay ang email address nyo correctly before you register. And once you have it, you save it and print it and bring it with you before you depart. So for the non-OFWs, if you want to pay it through online, you can. I will leave a link in my description box para makita nyo because there are some instruction also how to pay it. And this is for around 4,000 pesos or 80 USD. So for the OFWs, your RT PCR test will be shouldered by the OWA, and you're also with your hotel accommodation, and your requirements is your OEC. So anyway, for those non-OFWs, I will leave a link in my description box sa mga hotels na accredited by the BOQ. The second one is the affidavit of undertaking. This form you can download and print it and answer manually before you deplane. The third one is the health declaration card at arrival card. Ito ay kahit di nyo na i-print kasi pag nasa loob na kayo ng airlines nyo, binibigyan kayo nito. But make sure na ma-fill upan nyo bago kayo lumapag. The last one is the hotel booking confirmation. Kailangan natin to for the non-OFWs para doon natin hintayin ang swab test result natin pagdating natin sa Pilipinas. Tips lang po sa mga magbubook pa lang ng ticket nila pauwi ng Pilipinas, please do check the airline's travel restriction po kasi there are some other airlines na nagre-request ng RT PCR test 24 hours before departure. So check nyo po yun. Pero ang Philippine Airlines wala po yata. So kaya ako nag-fly ng Emirates, wala din. So, let's go to our final video kung paano ako nakauwi ng Pilipinas at kung saan natin gagamitin ang mga forms na ito. Finally, nandito na kami sa Pilipinas at nakalapag po kami ng maayos. So, nakalabas na po tayo ng eroplano at papunta na ng terminal. So, ang mga nakikita nyong naka-yellow dyan po guys, sila po yung nag-a-assist sa mga naka-wheelchair. So, wag po kayong mag-alala uuwi ng Pilipinas kung kayo ay naka-wheelchair o kayo ay senior citizen na kasi marami po sila na mag-a-assist sa inyo. So, ito po ang pila papasok. So, ang pilang ito ay dito natin papasa ang ating health declaration card at dito ang temperature check section. So yan, pagkatapos natin dito, pupunta na tayo sa barcoding and verification section. So, ang section na ito medyo nakaka-confuse. So, kasi hindi well posted ang mga kung saan ang pilahan ng OFW at non-OFW, or ang may barcode na at wala pang barcode pa, or ang mga nagbayad na hindi pa nagbayad pa, ganon. So wag po tayong mahiya na ask ng question sa mga assistants dyan, lalong-lalo na sa mga Coast Guard, kasi very friendly naman sila at very helpful. So, sa right side, dito po ang section ng mga OFW at non-OFW na hindi pa nagbayad ng swab test nila. So, bibigyan kanila ng form. So, pagkatapos nyo na-fill upan yung form na yan, request form na yan, pipila ulit kayo, papasok sa left side booth kung saan dyan kayo din magbabayad ng inyong RT PCR test sa mga hindi nagbayad na non-OFW, at dyan na din kayo kukunan ng inyong samples, or dyan na kayo matitest. So, advice ko lang po sa mga non-OFW na uuwi sa Pilipinas, mas maigi na po na bayaran natin ang ating RT-PCR test through online. Kasi ito po ang mangyayari sa inyo doon. Magpipil up pa kayo dyan, pipila, instead of going straight to the verification and barcoding section. So, maraming mawi-waste na time. At the right side of the verification and barcoding section, ito naman ang lines ng mga non-OFW na nakapagbayad na ng kanilang mga RT-PCR test through online. At pagkatapos nito, dito tayo isi-send para sa ating swab testing. And after that, we can clear the immigration and go to the hotel verification booth. So, pagkatapos na clear na ang sa immigration, bababa tayo at may Philippine Coast Guard doon na nagbibigay ng form. Kung wala na naman kayong affidavit of undertaking form, pwede kayong kumuha doon. Again, pipila na naman kayo kasi pipil-upan nyo pa yan, at kung wala pa kayong booking confirmation, dyan na din po kayo magbubook, pero pipila kayo. May 2 sections naman dyan. May hotel reservation at ang walang reservation. So, yan po. Pagkatapos nito, pwede na po tayong pumunta ng ating mga hotel. So, the process of our swab test, we can track it through online, through Philippine Red Cross. They were going to email you once you have your, once you're done with your swab testing. And then they were going to send you an email saying to verify all the information that you provided. Kung may mali, pwede kayong i-text sila na ipakorek ang mga details na binigay yun na hindi tama. So, I got my swab test result 7 hours. So, ang mga iba sa mga hindi nagbayad sa online, it takes like maybe 3 hours or 5 hours delayed lang. So, once you had the result, they were going to email you your Covid19 RT PCR test certificate. So, when you have that, let the hotel know that you are negative, and then upon checkout, you can ask them to print that certificate with you and carry it with you. The hotel will going to give you also a hotel certification or completion, something like that. So I haven't it yet because hindi pa ako nag-check out. Mag-check out pa lang ako bukas. So samahan niyo po ako bukas at uuwi tayo sa Ilocos. In my province, there's certain procedures and I think also requirements that we are going to accomplish. So please stand by, and thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.